What's up, YouTube? Gio here. I'm back in the lab. I've been looking over this control board, and let's see here. I was thinking that this section here at first was similar to this, a burned out mark. But you could see when I really clean it up and take a better look, this is just a hole with the plastic prong coming through for the actual component mount here. You can see I went ahead and touched it with my soldering iron, and it melted a little bit, and I was like, oh, I was like, yeah, my last video I was thinking that I noticed I didn't see any inner circuitry going to it, and I went ahead and touched it with my soldering iron a little bit, and it started to melt, and I was like, oh, it's the plastic section for the connector. So we only have one area that's damaged on that board, this board that needs to be repaired. And you can see it's right there. And after I kind of clean it up a little bit, I'm able to see it's still in pretty good condition. So we're gonna go ahead and get this repaired today. All right. Let's take a good look at what it looks like. You see. And yesterday, I remember I was pointing out to you guys that you want to see this outer metal connection here that's connected to the actual inner ribbon on the circuit board. If that's still in pretty good condition, then the board is pretty repairable. But if all of this was, if all of this was to be burned out, and you notice that there is no connection connected to this inner circuit ribbon here, you know that you can't repair it. But yeah, this is after cleaning it up. Yeah, I can definitely get this repaired. So we're gonna go ahead and get that done. I got my soldering iron at 315. I'm gonna go ahead and prime and clean my tip. I'm gonna go get my sponge wet. I thought I had my little water bottle out here for my cleaning sponge. So, get that on. Just priming and cleaning my iron. All right, let's see. Break a piece of that off. Put it at 320. Trying to get a position right. Let's see. It's kind of hard when I'm not able to see. First time using this micro thing here. And I get it heated up. Not really taking in my solder. Maybe I should change my tip. Well, seeing that looks. Let's see. Trying to see if I'm able to put a finer tip on this thing. I went ahead and put a finer tip on my iron. You can see this one. It's not the prettiest of connection. I'll see if I can clean it up a bit. Get it connected around, bit around that part. You gotta get it better. That's why I put this little finer tip on there. Let's look at one of the other solder joints, how that is nice and pretty. Cone shape. And this is my joint. Not as cute. I know. You don't have to tell me. Don't beat me up too much in the comment section. Alright, so let's see if we're able to get this up a little cleaned up. You don't want to keep it on there too long. It's damaging the component. I don't have my soldering iron on too hot, so just trying to make sure that makes a good contact. I don't like it too much. I need to try to turn that up a little bit. Let's see if I'm able to clear that a little bit there. Not as pretty as I would like it to be. Gonna add a little bit more to it. Make sure I get a good contact down there. All right, that looks okay to me. Like a cold solder. I don't have enough. I have enough good of a connection to the rear of it, it looks like. Yeah, what do you guys think? Should I add some more solder to this rear section here? What do you guys think? Hit me up in the comment section. You guys think this look pretty good? Alright, so you could clearly see the inner ribbon here. And you can see that disconnected. If I'm able to get a closer look around this corner. Clean that a little bit. Make sure. This is a real soft brush. It ain't hurting nothing. Okay. Usually I like it to be filled in nicely. It's not on the rear, just on the front. I'm thinking what I should put some more heat to it and try to fix the rear section. What do you guys think? Should I try to fill in over here a little bit better with the solder? What do you guys think? Hit me up in the comment section. You know what? Let's do that. Let's try to do that. Let's try to heat up that rear section there and kind of fill it in a little bit better. See how we could make that look a little better. I'm gonna go ahead and prime and clean my tip. Nice and clean. And I'm just gonna focus on this rear area here, see if I'm able to make a little better connection there. Alright, I'm gonna heat up the metal. I need to turn my soldering up a little bit, my soldering iron. Yeah, let's turn it up, because I want this to be pretty quick. This time, let's heat better. Alright. My area up on there. 370 Celsius. Get both those metal hot. And then apply my solder. Alright. I would prefer it cone shape, but not cone shape, but it looks better. See if we could clean that up a little bit. Go from that soda. Just trying to make it look a little better. You guys think I should leave it alone, or you guys ever repair a control board before? Hit me up in the comment section, let me know. Please like, share, and subscribe. You guys enjoying the video. Just taking a little bit of this soda up. Yeah, it looks like it's on there pretty good. To make it look a little pretty. We all like it to look pretty. Alright. So that's what I wanted it to look like. That's what it turns out looking like. Looks pretty good. Let's clean it up. Using some of this electronic cleaner. There's that beauty. Look at that, gorgeous looking. What's that? Okay. I don't know. What you guys think? Looks good? All right. Looks pretty good to me. Now these other two section here, I thought this was actually one of the same connection that was burned out. But it turns out it was just actually the plastic. I thought it was a part of the component that was soldered into the board, but it wasn't. So it turns out only to be this one connection. That one connection there that was causing the issue with the defective board. Thought this was a damaged section as well. It was not. So all in all, not much work to get this board back in operation. Can't wait to test it out on a unit. All right, y'all like, share, and subscribe. Thank y'all for watching. Geo out.